Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Chemistry and where chemistry is easy. My name is Kripa Sindhu Kormukar. I have qualified CSIR NET examination of June 2019 with All India Rank 2 in JRF, right? So that there is a very important announcement and it is really great opportunity for all of you who are preparing for the CSIR NET examination, okay? So there is really very important announcement for all of you guys. So now I'm in Plus Educator and at Unacademy, and Unacademy is providing free test series that is made by exclusively top educators, okay? So that's why I'm also making a test series, and the test series, the most important part of this video is going to be that test series is exactly free. You need not to pay a single passive for that, and need not to take the plus subscription for that, right? So you should always avail this opportunity, and this is really a great opportunity for all of you. Already a number of students has enrolled the courses for free, and if you want to take this opportunity, please do not forget to download the Unacademy learning app, and I'll be showing you that how you can take the test. And most important part of this is that you can get the analysis session as soon as the test will be completed, okay? So tests are at 12 o'clock in the morning, and you will be getting the analysis at 4 p.m. So it will be obviously very good that whatever the doubts you'll be having for that test, for that particular test, you can ask me directly into the live class. So that is really great opportunity. You should obviously avail that, okay? And in the most important part of the test series is that you can get direct solution, and that is obviously an all India level test series. So you'll be getting the exact rank that you are actually competing with all over India students, right? So just enroll for the test series and give it for free, okay? Now in the next part of this video, I'll be telling you that how to enroll for the course and how to take the test for the free. So do not waste your time, just go on. Now I am sure that you are thinking, okay, I'll be taking the test later. Please do not do that, because test will play an important role. Then only you'll be analyzing yourself that how your preparation is going on, okay? Otherwise you will be in the illusion that, okay, my preparation is going on correctly, I need not to take the test. But believe me, taking test is very important for your preparation. Until you take the test, you will not be having that confidence that, okay, I can do that. And confidence is exactly important for your upcoming examination. That will boost your confidence, and that will help you a lot into the CSIR NET examination to get a good rank or to qualify the examination, right? So that's why I would recommend you, that I will highly recommend you do it now. As soon as the video will be completed, you have to go to Unacademy and download the Unacademy learning app if you have not downloaded yet, and take the test series very efficiently and attend my free live sessions, free analysis sessions that I used to do after the test series, okay? So see you in the next video. Now please don't skip it. I'll be showing you that how you can take the test, okay? Because there are some doubts of the students is happening, they are actually not unable to get that video. But okay, don't worry about this. I'll be explaining you each and everything step by step, okay? And that questions are really very important. All of the question has been taken from the most three of the books, okay? Clayden, Carruthers and Ziegfeld. And you know that these three books are really must for the CSIR NET examination, and that test has been made by me, okay? So you can rely upon this, okay? So let's see that how you can take the test. Great. So at first you have to go to Google Play Store if you do not have the Unacademy learning app downloaded. Since I have already downloaded the Unacademy learning app, so you have to just click on the Unacademy. So just remember, just search in the Google Play Store Unacademy learning app, then you will be getting this app, okay? So this app is the Unacademy learning app. Just click on that. So as soon as it will be completed, so just give your phone number or whatever the things that is asking for. And now what you need to do, you need to just click on these three dots, okay? Three lines. You have to click on that, okay? And if you have not selected your category, then just select your category. Select your category to CSIR UGC NET. Then click on to these three dots. Now currently you are in the special classes, but for taking the test you have to go to plus. So click on the plus. Okay. Now this is the plus interface actually, okay? And since I am an educator at Unacademy Plus, so I am teaching Ziegfeld, okay? Complete Ziegfeld and the Carruthers in the Unacademy Plus subscriptions. Now you need to go to syllabus and test, okay? You need not to go to syllabus, just click on the test that is below. Okay, so click on the test. Then you will be easily getting that all of the live states with detailed performance analysis. Now you are getting the T10 test series chemical science by Kripasindhu Karmukar. Click on that. Okay, so see, here are the test series are available, and as soon as the test will be completed, you will be able to get the exact solution by clicking on the show result. Okay, so whatever the result that you are getting, you will be able to see also, and see the name of all the leaderboards students they have been given, who are having given the test series. So now already 360 students has already enrolled for this class, and see, a lot of students has actually taking the test. See, if I show you, then you will be seeing that a lot of students is actually taking the test. Okay, and it's really great opportunity. You should obviously avail this opportunity for you. Okay, so till now for a test has been given by 233 students. Okay, 233 students has taken the test, and do not forget this opportunity. Okay, so now you can attend this test live, and as soon as the live test will be completed at the 4 o'clock, I used to take the analysis session. So you can just click on that, you will be able to see the test. Okay, see the analysis session also. So thank you so much for watching everyone. Actually this is a really great opportunity, so I request you all to share among your friends, right? Because it will be beneficial for them, because it is free of cost, no money is required, right? So obviously you should share it, because it will help a lot of students, right? Now apart from me also, there are all the educators also there. If you're interested to take the test also, so I recommend you to take the test, because every test that is given here, this is free, right? This is free, totally free. Thank you so much everyone for joining. Thank you so much for seeing the class. I hope I will see you into the analysis session. Thank you so much. That's really great.